Hey guys, JJ here. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 of my most favorite features of the Xiaomi 9T phone. Nowadays, there are so many phones in the market. I like to think of smartphones like magic wands in Harry Potter.
The wand chooses the wizard, Mr. Potter.
The best phone for you ultimately depends on your needs. The first thing I love about the Xiaomi 9T is that it has an NFC chipset. This simply means that this phone can act as your bus card, train card, and even your credit and debit card. Now, if you aren't sure how to go about doing this, go to Google Play Store and simply download the EasyLink app and the Google Payments app. The second thing I like about the Xiaomi 9T phone is that its camera is quite powerful. Its camera can take 48 megapixels pictures. If you're into scenic photography, the camera here has an option of an ultra-wide angle setting, and this means that you can capture more of a scenic area compared to the normal setting of a camera. I'm not a huge fan of selfies, but this camera has a 20 megapixel pop-up camera. The third feature that I really like about this phone is that you have a full screen experience. I love watching YouTube videos on my phone, and having a full screen experience is very satisfying, and it's like watching your videos on a block of clear glass. The fourth interesting thing about this phone is that it has a headphone jack. It's very rare for a phone nowadays to have headphone jacks, and if you are a person that still likes using your own headphones when listening to music, this will definitely be a phone that is suitable for you. My last favorite feature of the Xiaomi 9T phone is that it has a very long battery life. Its battery capacity is 4000 milliamperes, and this means that it can last from 12 to 18 hours depending on your usage. This phone also supports fast charging, which means that you can charge your phone to a full capacity in a short amount of time. So that's my 5 favorite features about the Xiaomi 9T phone. If you have any comments or questions about this product, please do leave them in the comment section down below. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, comment, subscribe, as it will help me to create more content like this for you guys. I'd like to thank ERA for lending me this phone to do a simple video on, and thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one.